Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So in today's episode, we're going to do apparently Taylor Swift's favorite cocktail, right? This is called the French Blonde, which incorporates fresh grapefruit juice, which I don't have fresh because I didn't want to squeeze all that, but I do have closest thing to fresh, Indian River, Red Ruby, nut from concentrate. They squeeze it for me. Anywho, that, some Lillet Blanc, which is a French wine, aperitif, I don't know, aperitif wine, I can't say it, but anyway, this Lillet Blanc, some gin, and some elderflower liqueur. I just got a little bit left in that bottle, but anywho, let's get started. All right, first thing first is we're gonna go 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. Again, you can freshly squeeze yours, or you can get some fresh, not from concentrate. All right. Next, we're going to go 2 ounces of the Lillet Blanc, which I have not opened. There we go. Good wine. Just 2 ounces. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of dry gin. Next, we're going to go half an ounce of the elderflower liqueur, just half an ounce. Last, we're going to go 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Just a 1/4 ounce, just a little hint. Give that a good swirl. Add a little ice. Mix this one more time for chill. Grab us a Coupe glass, or you can use a Martini glass. We're going to go with Coupe. A strainer. So there you have it. Taylor Swift's favorite French Blonde. Now, will this turn me to a Swiftie? Let's see. I see why she likes it. The grapefruit juice is very upfront, right? Because I use 2 ounces of it, right? The gin, all it's doing is giving it a little extra kick. It's not as present, right? But this is a really, really good cocktail. I see why she likes it. And maybe I might be a Swiftie. Who knows? Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.